friend, my sister, and me were going thrift shopping. So I think we're gonna go from place to place. Many places close at 4 p.m. So we have to be quick and efficient. But that's fun to go on thrift hopping. So my little brother just graduated. I bought him a cake. Look how cute, it's so summery. And he loves chocolate. So I got a chocolate mousse cake, some pretty flowers, and a whole lot of snacks. I just bought a flower for my mom because we missed Mother's Day. She was